Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make a great thumbnail on GTA, just like this one. So you're going to want to launch Photoshop up first. Next you're going to want to resize the image a little. Okay, now I just used the quick select tool. You can do whatever you like. You can cut it out slowly, but the quick select is way simpler and it's way faster for me. After you're done fixing up the image up, you're gonna want to add a border. I call it a drop shadow and outer glow. Yeah, that's what it's called. Make sure you copy our settings specifically. We're gonna pull it up on the screen, right, Astro? Then you're gonna want to pull up the image that you're looking for in GTA. I picked an Astro because it's way simpler. Then you want to crop it out and hit the key, and you want to do the shortcut Control J to crop it out. Okay, now that you have the Astro, you're gonna want to do the outer glow and the drop shadow again with the same settings. Okay, what I do next is look for the GTA 5 logo, and then I crop it out since it's simpler. Next, you're gonna wanna look for the GTA 5 font, which we'll put a link to it down below. Finally, you wanna write the name of the title of your video, and you're all done. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you can subscribe, it would really help us out. We're trying to hit 20 subs soon. Bye.